Alright, so we're going to open up a digital microscope, and it's a USB microscope, so it should be able to work with a Mac or a PC. I got this to view cells and plant material close up, and I got this on Amazon. I think it was like 35 bucks. Actually, I think I take that back. It was probably like 25 to 30 bucks. Let's see if I can get this thing open here. And it does require a little bit of assembly, from my understanding. So we'll go ahead and pull this out, see what we got inside. Alright. Okay, so first, it comes with a digital microscope quick start guide. It should probably be how to set it up, get it all installed. And it looks like it comes with a ruler as well, which is nice. It's got some weight to it. It's kind of hard to see in certain light because it's reflective, but I guess that's for reflecting the light back into the microscope so you know where you're at. Very nice. And I plan on using this with coins and stuff like that for my metal detecting and things like that, especially for when I find rings and stuff. Helps me look at the jewels a little bit better. Let's see if we can figure this out without looking at the manual. Obviously this is the microscope body itself, pre-wired to a USB cable. And it looks like this is the clip stand and the housing, so we'll go ahead and screw this together. And I'm doing this without looking at the quick start guide, just so you can visualize how plug and play this thing really is. Here's a suction cup that obviously screws onto the bottom of this. So now we have the stand that's flexible, and obviously this piece here will most likely just clip onto the body of the microscope. So I'm going to assume those little holes line right up, and there it is. So the next thing would be to plug this in via USB. It's USB 2.0 into a computer and fire it up and see what we got. Alright, so here we are with the digital microscope hooked up. It is hooked up to a computer, so you can see the light is on. The light is dimmable by a little scroll wheel up here. Okay. You can turn the knob. The good thing about this suction cup and this ruler is that the suction cup sticks to this ruler pad without any issue, whereas it would not stick to my plastic table here. So this is definitely something that I'm glad they included. Now, I'm using a Mac, and basically I plugged in the Mac, downloaded the software, and was good to go. There's no problems with it. From what I'm told, you can also use Photo Booth on a Mac, and you just don't have some of the advantages as you would through the viewer. Now, I have not gone through the viewer yet in its entirety to know what kind of features it has, but if you stand by, I will see if I can show you the viewer. And it's just a basic image program, but it'll allow you to take screenshots, capture video, and do timed shots. And this again is what you're seeing. So I have a twist tie on the ruler, and we're magnified in. We're out of focus, so I can turn a scroll wheel here for focus. Turn the light up, and of course the item is black, but pretty cool. I do like it. Let me see if I have something else. I don't have anything handy to really magnify on, but let's see if we can throw this piece of fabric in there. So there's some nylon, and you're quite a ways away, and you can still see how close it's getting into those fibers and everything. Now they claim it's 250 times the magnification, which I don't know if that's really true or not. One of the downsides to this is that it's only 640 resolution, so you're not going to get HD quality with your photos or videos from this thing, but it's not bad. For the price you pay, it will get the job done, that's for sure. You know, you're not going to find any CSI high-tech stuff with this thing, but definitely something to look into. I'm going to be using this thing for, you know, metal detecting and looking at coins and rings and stuff that I find, but I have other uses for this as well. It's also a great little teaching tool for the kiddos, and they can check out the bugs and stuff like that when spring rolls around. Heck, maybe we'll go out there and get some snowflakes and see if we can zoom in on them before they melt. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. On to the next.